Welcome to the Arbor Beach House in Union Pier, Michigan. This home has 90 feet of littoral beach rights, which means you own to the water's edge. And the large dune gives you plenty of room to add a pool. This 6-bedroom, 4-bath house is being sold turnkey and has a terrific vacation rental history. Come inside and take a look at this beautifully updated vintage home with charm to spare and outstanding Lake Michigan views.
For all my information on my listings and to see more about this great property, choosechad.com.